Welcome back to the Autoland. If you love motorcycles, adventure vehicles, and the latest innovations in the automotive world, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a game-changer in the luxury motorhome industry, the 2025 Mercedes Moto Home. If you're into road trips, camping, and high-end travel, this vehicle is set to redefine your expectations. So, let's get started. The Mercedes Moto Home 2025 is not just another RV, it's a masterpiece of engineering, design, and innovation. Built on Mercedes-Benz's cutting-edge platform, this motorhome seamlessly combines luxury with off-grid capabilities, making it the perfect choice for adventurers who refuse to compromise on comfort. Mercedes has always been known for their precision engineering, and with this model, they've taken things to an entirely new level. The 2025 Moto Home boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design that not only looks stunning but also enhances fuel efficiency. Its lightweight yet durable construction allows for better handling and stability, making long journeys a pleasure rather than a chore. Under the hood, the Mercedes Moto Home 2025 is powered by an advanced hybrid powertrain. This system combines a turbocharged diesel engine with an electric motor, delivering both power and efficiency. With a total output of around 350 horsepower, this motorhome can handle steep inclines, rough terrain, and long-distance travel with ease. The hybrid system also allows for silent, emission-free driving in urban areas or campsites where noise restrictions apply. Now, let's talk about the living space here, because this is where the Mercedes Moto Home truly shines. Step inside, and you're greeted with a luxurious interior that feels more like a high-end apartment than a traditional RV. The cabin is designed with premium materials, including soft-touch leather seating, real wood finishes, and LED ambient lighting that creates a relaxing atmosphere. The layout is incredibly well thought out. At the heart of the Moto Home is a spacious lounge area featuring a U-shaped sofa that converts into a bed at the push of a button. A high-definition entertainment system with a retractable 55-inch OLED TV ensures that you never miss your favorite shows, whether you're in the middle of the city or parked in the wilderness. The kitchen area is another highlight. Equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, and a convection oven, cooking on the road has never been easier. There's even a built-in espresso machine for coffee lovers. Mercedes has also integrated smart technology, allowing you to control everything from the lighting to the temperature using a voice command system or a mobile app. One of the standout features of the 2025 Moto Home is its bathroom setup. Unlike many RVs that compromise on bathroom space, this model includes a full wet bath with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a smart toilet with bidet functions. The water filtration system ensures that you always have access to clean, drinkable water no matter where you are. Sleeping arrangements are designed with comfort in mind. In addition to the convertible lounge bed, there's a master suite at the rear of the motorhome. This private sleeping area includes a queen-sized memory foam mattress, built-in nightstands, and panoramic windows that provide breathtaking views of your surroundings. Storage is another strong point. The Moto Home 2025 is equipped with innovative storage solutions, including hidden compartments, underfloor storage, and exterior compartments for larger items. There's even a dedicated space for bicycles or an electric scooter, allowing you to explore beyond your campsite. When it comes to connectivity and technology, Mercedes has gone all out. The Moto Home features a 5G Wi-Fi hotspot, multiple USB-C charging ports, and a fully digital dashboard with a massive touchscreen display. The infotainment system integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and there's an advanced navigation system that includes real-time traffic updates and campsite recommendations. Safety has also been a major focus. The 2025 Moto Home comes with Mercedes' latest driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an automatic emergency braking system. The 360-degree camera system ensures that maneuvering this large vehicle is as easy as possible, even in tight spaces. For those who love off-grid adventures, the Mercedes Moto Home is equipped with a robust solar panel system that keeps your batteries charged even in remote locations. The lithium-ion battery pack ensures that you can run appliances, charge devices, and even power the air conditioning without needing to rely on a generator. Additionally, the onboard water purification system and composting toilet make it easier than ever to stay off the grid for extended periods. Another exciting feature is the expandable outdoor living space. The Moto Home includes a retractable awning with integrated LED lighting, an outdoor kitchenette, and a weatherproof entertainment system. Whether you're hosting a barbecue or just relaxing under the stars, this setup enhances the camping experience. Driving comfort is another area where the Mercedes Moto Home excels. The air suspension system adjusts automatically to road conditions, ensuring a smooth ride regardless of terrain. The ergonomic driver's seat is equipped with massage functions, and the heads-up display provides crucial driving information without requiring you to take your eyes off the road. Of course, luxury like this comes at a price. The base model of the 2025 Mercedes Moto Home is expected to start at around $200,000, with fully loaded versions reaching up to $300,000. While this might seem steep, it's important to remember that you're essentially getting a 5-star hotel on wheels. The combination of comfort, technology, and Mercedes' legendary reliability makes this a worthy investment for serious travelers. Now, who is this motorhome for? If you're someone who loves road trips but doesn't want to sacrifice luxury, the Moto Home 2025 is an ideal choice. It's perfect for digital nomads, retirees looking to explore in style, or even families who want a premium camping experience. With its hybrid efficiency and off-grid capabilities, it's also an excellent option for eco-conscious travelers. In summary, the Mercedes Moto Home 2025 is a revolutionary step forward in the world of motorhomes. It blends high-end luxury with practicality, offering a travel experience like no other. Whether you're exploring national parks, driving along scenic coastal highways, or camping in remote locations, this motorhome ensures that you do it all in absolute comfort. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Mercedes Moto Home. What do you think? Is this the ultimate motorhome, or would you prefer something different? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.